Okay, so welcome back. We're still on lesson 4. Here's our consolidation activity. Right here, it says number 1, use the graph to determine starting floor and rate of each elevator. Okay, so where is our start? Well, we're going by time, so our start would be at 0. Okay, and this is for elevator A. Wondering if I can move that up. Nope. Okay, so we are starting at floor 12. Okay, how about now the rate? Let's see, we're going down 1 per second. Down 1 per second. So our rate would be down 1. Notice I put that negative in there. This is our downward direction. Okay, we're going down 1. Elevator B starts at floor 10. And I believe that is going down 1 per second as well. Okay, it's got the same slope as A. It looks like looks like these lines here are parallel. Okay, so we're going down 1 as well. Down 1 floor. Okay, now I'm going to skip down a little bit. Let's go down to, let's go to elevator F, or elevator F, letter F. Okay, so where is the start? Where are we starting from? We're starting from down here at floor -3. So I'm going to go ahead and put -3. And what is our rate? Let's see, we go up 1, 2, 3, 4 floors per second. Let's see if that's consistent. 1, 2, 3, 4 per second. It is. So our rate is 4 floors per second. Let's see about elevator B, this one. We're going up, see, 1 floor per second, I believe. That matches. So 1 floor per second. And also, again, we started at floor -3. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in. I should have put that in first. My apologies. Okay. Let's do this one here. So elevator A, where does it start from? Here's elevator A. It's starting from floor 10. So I'm going to go ahead and put 10 here. Let's see what the rate is. It's down 1 over 1, down 1 over 1. So it's going to go down 1 per second. So down 1. Elevator B starts on floor 4. And it just kind of goes straight across right here. It's not going up at all. How many floors did it go up? Okay. It didn't go up any, right? So how do we write nothing, that it didn't do anything? We write a 0. It did not move at all. Okay, let's go ahead and look at the next page. It says, look back over your work. How did you decide what the starting floor was? Give you guys a second to think about it. How did you decide where the starting floor was? Okay, you should be looking at the time at time 0. Time 0 is always our start. Okay, so we started with second 0. How did you decide what the rate was? Well, we decided that the rate was, let's see, on this one here, we went up 4 floors per second. Over here, we went up 1 floor per second. So we counted the number of floors for each second. So we'll go ahead and type that in. Number of floors per second. So you guys can practice this. It would be great if you could. If you have your workbook, or you can download the textbooks, and you can go ahead and do these. I'll do one of these really quick, which we've done a few of these already. Elevator A. Elevator A starts at 4:07. So here's the start, because here's the seconds, and here's 0 seconds. The very start starts at 4:07. So we're going to go ahead and make a mark there. And a rate of 1 floor per second. So notice it's a positive here. Okay, we're going to go up 1 per second. So it's going to look like this. Elevator B also starts at 4:07, and that has a rate of 2 floors per second. So we're going to go up 2 floors per second. Again, up 2 floors per second. And I'm going to go ahead and make that line. And actually, once it gets here, it's going to stay here, right? Because we can't go up any higher. I'll go ahead and do the same over here. Okay, so these here are similar. I don't think I'm going to bore you and go through those. Let's skip down to number 5 here. It says 5 descriptions of graphs are provided here. Use the descriptions to fill in the blanks in the statements about elevator motion. So instead of writing this out, I'm just going to write 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, when the elevator pauses on a floor, what is happening here? I'm going to give you guys a second to think about it. Pick 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. What is the graph doing? Okay, the answer should be number 3. The graph is a horizontal line. It's not moving. When the elevator rises rapidly, key point there, rapidly, it means it's going up faster. So if it's going up, let's take a look over here. This one here is going up faster. So what do we notice about the slope there? What do we notice? It's going to be, okay, this line here is pretty steep, but this one here is a lot steeper. So let's go ahead and write in that the graph rises and is steeper. We'll go ahead and put that. Okay, when the elevator descends rapidly, well, it's going to go downwards. The graph falls and it's steeper. Okay, when the elevator rises slowly, so it's going to rise and it's going to be less steep. When the elevator descends slowly, I believe it's this one here, the graph falls and is less steep. Okay, that's it for the consolidation. Your homework is page 305. Okay, all you're going to do is, let's see, match each description with the corresponding graph, write a letter in each blank. So you're just going to match these graphs over here, okay? And let's see what else we have. Okay, we know how to do these. So this homework should be pretty easy. Looks like it could be pretty fun. Okay, doesn't look painful. Okay, guys, that's it for topic 7, lesson 4. Have fun. We'll see you next time.